To hide subscriber count on YouTube, you have to use the web version of YouTube. So, you can use any browser, open your browser, then go to www.youtube.com. Then, you can sign into your YouTube account. After, you have to convert to desktop mode. To convert, tap 3 dots, then check desktop side. Now you got the web version of YouTube. Then tap your channel avatar. This is important. You have to take a long press on YouTube Studio. In the pop-up window, select Open in New tab in Group. At the bottom you can see there are two YouTube icons. You have to select the second one. Then you have to tap the setting icon in the bottom left corner. In the pop-up window, tap Channel. Select Advanced Settings. Then I will zoom out. Now scroll down and find subscriber count. Here you have unchecked this. Uncheck display the number of people. After uncheck that, you have to save these settings. After saving, you will get this kind of message. Settings saved. Then go back to your YouTube channel and see how it works. I will go to my channel. You can see my subscriber count on YouTube is hidden. Later.